Hello guys, I am super excited to be here and making this video. You're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. In today's video, I'll be making a body scrub. This scrub is for a light tone. If you are desiring to have a lighter shade of your skin, this scrub is for you. I want to tell you something. I'm going to be using some major ingredients for this scrub. I'll be making use of, guess? You want to guess? Okay, I will tell you. I'll be making use of niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. That powder is not for small children. The powder helps in boosting your immunity. It also helps in reducing pigmentation. It is also a very good powder for reduction of signs of aging. It also helps in reducing redness and blotchiness of skin. So you know what I'm talking about. In the scrub also, I'll be making use of goat milk. Goat milk is a super milk that contains lactic acid and omega-3 fatty acid. It is also very rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for eye and for skin. So guys, I'll be adding that to the scrub. Also in the scrub, I'll be using licorice brown extract. Licorice is a very good exfoliant. It's very good for brightening the skin, and it also helps in fading age spots. And another secret about this licorice is that if you already have an existing spot on the skin, it fades it and it prevents others from coming out on the skin. So guys, do not go anywhere. Stay here. Let us make this together. Let us cook this food together. Okay. This is my mixing bowl. The first ingredient I'm going to add in here is Asantee mineral and milk salt spa. This scrub is made in Thailand. It contains honey and collagen among other ingredients. So that's the first scrub I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be using the whole cup. I would want to scoop out everything in. There is no waste, even in Nigeria. You can't come and be wasting something. Then the next scrub I'll be using is my Yoko Spa Milk Salt. This is a lightening scrub, and it is also for smooth and baby skin. The most important thing is that it's enriched with vitamin E. So I'll be using that. I want to cut it open so I'll have everything out. Then here I have my goat milk powder. Can you see that? I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my goat milk powder. Here is my niacinamide or vitamin B3. I'll be adding a tablespoonful of it. And here is my almighty licorice extract. I'll be adding a tablespoonful of it. That's measured out already. And here is my tea tree oil. I need 4 drops of it. You know, this is an essential oil, and you do not use too much of an essential oil. It comes in drops because it is very concentrated. We call it small but mighty. Tea tree oil is a very good oil for exfoliating the skin it also helps in smoothing the skin, and it's an antioxidant. Also, it helps in suppleness of the skin and prevents aging. So a lot of people use it for face. I'm adding it to this scrub because I want to get the super effect of tea tree oil. Then the last thing I'll be adding is my gold skin serum. Gold skin serum. I'll be using about 6 drops of it. And that's it, guys. So using a spoon or a spatula, you mix together. Mix very well until you get a very smooth consistency. Just the way I'm doing it. The beautiful thing about this scrub is that you're going to have a blue ocean looking scrub in your bathroom, and this scrub smells heavenly. Oh my God, imagine it on your skin. Imagine the scrub on your skin. So when you are done mixing, see what you are going to get. Something sky blue color. That's what you are going to get when you are done mixing very well. If you want, you can use a hand mixer or a hand blender to mix. When you are done, you store in an airtight container, and before you scrub, please wet your skin and use an exfoliating sponge to get a better effect. Then leave your reviews in the comment section. Till next time, guys, I still remain yours, Cindy. Have a beautiful day and bye.